Morning, witches. Jessica here. I am just sitting here enjoying these mountains while working on some content for a video for you. I just wanted to share. I think this is amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I had to turn it around. I have my notes here, just sitting out here enjoying. There's a pipe behind me. That's an irrigation pipe because the farm slants down this hill right here. So I absolutely am loving the peace of this. I can hear animals. There are ravens everywhere out here. This is such a different place than the flatlands of Ohio. Now, don't get me wrong, I do miss home, but it's not like here. Oh, here, let me turn you around so you can see these three ravens. Oh, just amazing. Nature is amazing. They're just soaring around all day. It's great. All right, witches, now that you got to see some of the sights I get to see, get out in nature and just enjoy it. That's all I can tell you. I can't even stop looking. The birds are just everywhere. This is just some amazing stuff. Well, nature is amazing anyway, but being this in nature is amazing. All right, witches, I'm going to talk to you later and go back to my notes because I have a lot of videos to produce, but I just had to jump on and maybe inspire you to get outside if you can. All right, talk soon.